So in the previous video we looked at line graphs. Let's look at the other types of graph. So Year 7's recently completed an environmental unit. To put their skills into practice, the school has taken them to the beach to find out the amount of and type of rubbish found at the beach. To collect enough data, the trip is done over 5 days, and this is the table they came up with. So very easy to interpret. So on day 1 they found 44 pieces of plastic, 139 cigarette butts, 11 woods and other. And here we have our totals. Draw a column and bar graph to display the students' finding. So I've cheated a little bit here. I started already, otherwise it takes forever. But essentially we have the same thing. Now, we have a scale. As you can see, I went up by 50s. I have titles, and I don't have units here because each number represents a piece of it. What I don't have is a title, so I need to put rubbish collected at the beach. Or it could have been rubbish collected by Year 7s. So let's go back to our table for a minute. I've done the plastic and the cigarette. According to the plastic, there was a total of 450 pieces of plastic. So, oops, I made a mistake there. It should have been only up to that line. So that's wrong. It's wrong. 450. Cigarette butts, 900. So from 0 all the way up to 900. Wood, 100 units of them. So let's take our ruler and a different color pen, and let's see, we have 100 pieces of wood. So 100 is down here. We just color it in, I'll do it roughly. 100 pieces of wood. And other type of rubbish was 270. Now we don't have 270 on our scale, but we do have 250 and 300, which means 270 lies in between. So it's halfway through. Let's take a ruler. There's a line there. And we color in. And there is my column graph displaying the information that the Year 7s found. The question says also to draw a bar graph. Now here I cheated completely. Here's the bar graph. Again, we need a title, so rubbish collected at the beach. And again, here we have 450 for the plastic, 900 for the wood, cigarette butts, 100 for the wood, and 270 for other. So a good thing is to interpret the information. So what is the most common type of rubbish found on the beach? So you can either look at your table, or you can look at your graph that you just did, And we can see that the longest line, or the longest bar in this case, is the cigarette butt. So here we have next one. If the beach was under the management of Beachside Council, what would you recommend them to do to improve the cleanness of the beach? So here's a comprehensive answer. What would you recommend? So maybe place more bins around the beach. What else would you recommend? Fine for those who litter. Maybe we can say we can create jobs, so hire people to clean the beach. So from information we can make either predictions or make something happen to make a difference. So let's look at the next graph.